This short video introduces metal 3D printing using the Sinterit Lisa X, combined with the Headmade's materials that are now available on Sinterit platform, called Cold Metal Fusion, or CMF, process. This solution provides an affordable entry into metal additive manufacturing. It combines polymer SLS and metal sintering, utilizing Headmade CMF feedstock of metal and polymer powder. This transforms plastic-like printing into true dense metal parts. Cold metal fusion is a process that involves standard SLS printing of metal-filled powder on printers below 80 degrees Celsius. The binder is then removed, and the metal is sintered into a solid part. This efficient process uses low energy and delivers MIM-level density and strength. The CMF process on the Sinterit Lisa X involves 5 steps: print, depowder, debind, sinter, and finish. It offers benefits like no supports, reusable powder, and low energy use. You can achieve parts in various metals like stainless steel and titanium. Parts can reach up to 1,200 megapascals strength and 65 HRC hardness, with a precision of plus or minus 0.1 millimeters after sintering. Applications include tooling, medical devices, and aerospace parts. The estimated total investment for the complete CMF setup is around 200,000 euros, which can be up to 10 times cheaper than laser metal systems. This includes the Sinterit Lisa X, feedstock, debinding unit, sintering furnace, and optional finishing tools. The Sinterit CMF solution offers dual capability for polymer and metal production. It is cost-effective, with low capex, and provides safe operation by reducing metal powder hazards. It is a scalable solution supported by Headmade materials expertise. The Sinterit Lisa X can be turned into a compact metal factory. The print, debind, and sinter sequence produces metal parts in days. It is an affordable, powerful, and ready-today solution with minimal training. Ready to transform your production? Start your metal 3D printing journey today. Contact us to learn more via sales@sinterit.com.